blue whale. It's a mammal and it is a carnivore, and it lives in a pod, the group name of a pod. It lasts for about 80 to 90 years. It's about 82 to 105 feet long and up to 200 tons in weight. The blue whale is the largest animal ever known to have lived on Earth, so these magnificent marine mammals rule the oceans at up to 100 feet long and upwards of 200 tons. Their tongues alone can weigh as much as an elephant, their hearts as much as a car. They live off krill, so a diet composed of a tiny shrimp-like animal. During certain times of the year, a single adult blue whale consumes about 4 tons of krill a day. So they're eating millions of krill a day. Blue whales are what we call baleen whales, which means they have fringed plates of fingernail-like material called baleen attached to their upper jaws. The giant animals feed by first gulping an enormous mouthful of water, expanding the skin on their throat and belly to take it all in. Then the whale's massive tongue forces the water out through the thin, overlapping baleen plates. Blue whales do look true blue underwater, but on the surface their colouring is more of a mottled blue-grey. Their underbellies are a yellowish hue from the millions of microorganisms that take up residence in their skin. So the blue whale has a broad flat head and a long tapered body that ends in wide triangular flukes. Blue whales live in all the world's oceans except the Arctic, occasionally swimming in small groups but usually alone or in pairs. They often spend summer feeding in polar water and undertake lengthy migrations towards the equator as winter arrives. They can cruise at about 5 miles an hour, but they can accelerate up to 20 miles an hour when they're agitated, and they are amongst the loudest animals on the planet. They emit a series of pulses, groans and moans, and it's thought in good conditions blue whales can hear each other up to 1,000 miles away. Now, it's really important that we conserve these whales because in the 1900s, whalers seeking whale oil drove them to the brink of extinction. Between 1900 and the mid-1960s, some 360,000 blue whales were slaughtered. They finally came under protection with the 1966 International Whaling Commission, but they've only managed a minor recovery since then. So these are truly wonderful creatures and something that we really do need to protect. There's more videos coming on amazing animals and plants, so please do subscribe to